Yeah.
Fucking goal, man. I'm done with this. It's not, bro. It's fucked up. It's fucked up, man. Even early in the morning, bro. Like the entry week, the wick you see like right here, like this Kindle doesn't have a wick, and I
Oh
couldn't.
yeah.
I was gonna take that too, and I was like, man,
Damn.
all the buys and the
No,
buys,
bye.
buy. No, I didn't. No, I didn't like the sales at the morning. Yeah, and there was news too all over the place.
Oh man, that's the new hourly candle, isn't it? That buy setup.
Yep, yep.
So
Wait, no, it's like 15 minutes earlier. Yeah.
okay, so that's 45. Okay, the next one's the hour. Okay. Okay.
Picking up the slack, joining this prime way I'm getting to the rack. I do what I want, when I want, where I want, no cap. Putting on work, now I'm getting to the back. 25-8, I got money on my mind. Live life great, but I'm always on the grind. Navy blue tank, I don't wear for the time. Real hustler, baby, throw my rollie in the sky.
Get ready for blast off.
Ball pointing cushy, so you know it's berserk. Trevor on the mix, so you know we gon' work. I might leave in one, find a beach and go surf. I'ma ride the wave till I'm out of this earth. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. I can flip a dial to a million. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. 3, 2, 1. Anywhere I'm at, turn the city up. 3, 2, 1. I don't like to brag, but I'm really on. I move heavy, need a scale. I for success like it's Braille. Brain on Ivy, coulda went to Yale. If you make it rain, I make it hell. Cliche quotes never fail. Focus in the wrong, always yells. If you put in work, you prevail. Only quote I need is keep it real. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Watch is plain unless it's factory. Bought a Tesla, need no gasoline. She likes when we go on shopping sprees. Go from Nike straight to Louis V. Money power, I've been in between. I've been spending money like it's free. Kick it low, I'm really on the scene. Kick it low, the next Bruce Lee. GMT, it cost me 17. I've been on the go since 17. You know how it goes. Yada yada, you know what I mean. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. I can switch locations on the map. Toss a dart and we go where it's at. Calculate the numbers, see the stats. Win, run it back. No back in the booth before they love. Rafa on the clay, I can't be touched. With my fam, I made it out the mud. Pressure made a diamond in the rough. That's why I grind all life. I shine. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changes the location on the map. Feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you pushing 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready? Been ready. I waited. My turn. On God. Hell steady. I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state. Make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grind it from the start. I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti. Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? We ready? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Who ready? Who? We ready? Who? Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, alright now. Push it, 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 push it. Yeah, I watch sports center, not the news. Yeah, could've named me Paul cause I'm the truth. Yeah, always find the wins after I lose. Even it way out, you can pick and choose. No. I hope you remember me. I know you remember me. Swim my babe from Tennessee. Cause she the only 10 I see. Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, alright now. Push it, 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 push it. Never got a handout, had to get mine. Never had a
Good morning, YouTube. How you guys doing?
All the doubt was motivation, now I'm doing better. Stone Island bucket, never been to London. I invest before I spend it, my family was struggling. Give my kids lessons and gifts, they don't want for nothing. Every day is Christmas, swear I'm not frontin'. Red sin, life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Reps it. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, 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 push it.
Started a song. Good morning, Shad. Morning, Big. Morning, Jesse. Good morning, Brian. You're watching from South Africa. Welcome.
Mentally feel like Kobe, I'm like Jokic with the rock. You physically couldn't hold me, I don't care if you push it 40. You can never little bro me. Euro step like Ginobili, from young OG to the OG. From nosebleeds to floor seats. Circle stronger than Cuban links. My gold dance, your gold plated. You verse me, now that's a reach. We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready?
Good morning, Casper.
We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Been ready. I waited. My turn. On God. Held steady. I keep dropping back to back. I keep going if you let me. I've been sitting at the top, looking down at those who left me. Promise I'm not being petty. I'm the one they envy. Brody moving state to state, make $1 million out the semi. Plus I grinded from the start. I was stacking pennies. I might dip like Machiavelli. After the confetti, who ready? We ready. Who ready? We ready. Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? Who? We ready. Who? Who ready? We ready.
Good morning, Joyner. You're watching from Kingdom of Eswatini. Where's that at? I never heard of that before.
Reps in. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Push it, 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 push it. Yeah, I watch Sports Center, not the news. Yeah, couldn't name me Paul, cause I'm the truth. Yeah. Always find the wins after I lose. Even it way out, you can pick and choose. I hope you remember me. I know you remember me. Swim my bay from Tennessee.
Oh, that's Swaziland. I've heard of Swaziland, but not Eswatini. I didn't know that was in Swaziland. Oh, what's up, Janice? How you doing, Tal?
Never got a handout, had to get mine. Never had a bust down, I like to tell the time. Never have I ever said that I could never. All the doubt was motivation, now I'm doing better. Stone Island bucket.
Good morning, Anthony.
I invest before I spend it, my family was struggling. Give my kids lessons and gifts, they don't want for nothing. Every day is Christmas, swear I'm not frontin'. Life is walking through the mud, I'm battle tested. Can't complain, I can't debate on who the best is. Overtime, don't really care about who next is. Man, I'm right now. Reps in. Life is walking.
Tal, where are you from? You from Kenya or Tanzania?
Overtime, don't really care about who
Let's see if we're gonna excuse me, let's see if we're gonna break below this 15-minute support here. Oh, you're from South Africa, okay. You're from Kenya, Anthony. Nice.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless?
Yeah.
You're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Girl, I love you through and through. I put you through loops. Arguments about who and who. I'm focused on me and you. I know when the love is real, but also when the love is gone. Hit me out on how you feel. Tell me now what's going on.
Again and again, yeah, again and again. Another bar, another night, another friend of a friend. Again and again, yeah, again and again. I can't even see the bottom line.
Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Baby, you're my biggest problem. Even when the Silverado not starting and it's early in the morning, baby, it's still better than you. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless. Why'd you have to leave me heartless? Heartless.
You got a demand sitting right here, which was where we rejected earlier. But the fact that gold created this previous low at 2029.83, created this low, and then we created a lower high at 2036, rejecting this minor resistance. Then we came down and then we finally broke it at 2029. We went back up, then we created a new lower high because this high, right, this high at 2033 is below 2036. So we have a new lower high here. Now we're just expecting price to now break below the previous low, which is at 2028, to create a new low for price to continue to fall. So for now, I see sales.
Please fill my cup. Am I really asking for much? It's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup. Find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh. And I'm singing like, whoa, oh, oh, oh. Lit check, been a minute, let me hit the homies in a group text. 10 years, same team. True vest. Got a couple trophies, but no chains on the neck. No, no. Got a couple Cardis, we don't flood with baguettes. It's a very small world, so my hand holds. Wake up, make the money, that's a
We already got a 15-minute supply here right now. I'm just waiting to see if we are going to break below 2028.
for much, it's been a long week, I'm looking for fun. Please fill my cup, find me under the sun. SOS, I'm just looking for a good time. Oh, 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 oh.
Hey, Lukman, how you doing? My chat is now small. I don't know what you're talking about, Lukman. Hi, Tony. You from Kenya? Welcome. Your sell stop is already activated. Okay. When the momentum is strong like this, could we still expect a bit of retracement before continuing to grab some liquidity? When the momentum is strong like this, could we still expect a bit of retracement before continue? Yeah, anything can happen to grab some liquidity. Yeah. But then again, when the momentum is strong like this, I would rather follow the momentum. I'd rather go with the momentum. Because price has already showed me not once but 3 times that it wants to fall, which is 1, 2, 3, and then you have this rejection, rejection, rejection. So price has showed me 1, 2, 3 times that it wants to fall. So the bearish momentum is strong, and I'd rather just follow the momentum. And honestly, if I'm going to take a buy position here, I'll be expecting this 4-hour support to be taken out. That's if London freaking gives us volume. And then look to take buys from this 15-minute demand, expecting price to fill this gap. So if we get volume during London session today, we should be good. We might even catch a sell. As soon as we break below here, we might even catch a sell. We'll see.
Never been fraud, been great, still a little flawed. Always need sign when they call. Order up a drink while I'm sitting at the bar. Like, I need a strong tail, Nico make two. Honey Jack with a little bit of juice. CYA throwing up the dose. I'm all in. Little grub at black and blue. No sauce, that strip got juice. For dessert, I just need a little mousse. I'm starving. I try to get some peace, that's all I need. I try to get some peace, that's all I need. Need what I want what I need. Need what I want now. Like 1, 2, 3, giddy up.
We'll also be breaking below a major low here on the 4-hour.
Standing on the green like Wimbledon. Match point set serve, going for the win. Try to stay humble, still going do it big. Don't assume I'm cocky, I'm confident. Earned every dollar for the time I spent. Hard times they come and go. 10 toes I never fold. I can never ever ever go. I try to get some peace, that's all I need. I try to get some peace, that's all I need. When I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle.
Yes, get a bit. They're good.
Work hard for the car, so that's why it's
They've not had any issues.
Had a real late night, woke up with my head spinning out Nashville. It's been mad real. I need sunglasses.
Don't trust him. He's bought and paid for. I'm just fucking around. I said, don't trust him. He's bought and paid for.
You can see I'm not pushing fundedness anymore. Because they didn't say US traders anymore, so I'm not pushing them no more. Nope, just because fundedness is not accepting US traders anymore does not mean it's a bad platform. I mean, they're just not accepting US clients.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Sinful's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east.
So, what we have here right now, the fact that we broke below 2029, that's good enough. So we'll see what happens if we are going to get this now for us to continue and then break this low, continue to the next low. The minor got taken out, but the major has not been taken out yet.
Had a real late night, woke up with my head spinning out Nashville. It's been mad real. I need sunglasses, I need Advil. I like fake boobs and my cash real. I like first place, you're in last still.
You pass phase 2 on Forex Fender, but they are changing platform on Friday and Saturday. Congratulations, Janice. You're bearish on gold until 2025. Yeah, me too. And I really strongly believe we are going to even break 2025. The only reason why I'm doubting is because of the volume we've been getting during London session lately. The hourly candle, no top wick, though suspicious. The hourly candle has a top wick.
Been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flame.
Just formed, okay.
So high, I might never come down, so what? This is my lifestyle.
We could get a retracement from here.
What I do, you can't do. What I do, you can't do. What I do, no, 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 you can't do. What I do. Whoa, 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 whoa. Race that go. I need a bag and I need it to go. I hit a spot and I'm ready to go. I've been on go, so I'm always on go. Been it before and I act like I know. Been it before and I know how it goes. Straight up, part of my weight, my gain up. I don't need chains, I'm chainless. Long as my kids stay caked up, long as my mom stay prayed up. I'm be here forever. I'm be here forever. I'm be here forever. You can't do what I do. No, 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 you can't do what I do. I take a loss and learn. I watch some bridges burn. I never toss and turn. I wake up and I repeat. It's only me that I can beat. I might drop a song or beat. Look, go, 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 on the run. Go, 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 giddy up. Go, 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 have some fun, like you can't do what I do. No, 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 you can't do what I do.
all this stuff going on in trading right now, it's only affecting US traders. It's not affecting anyone else. If you're not in the US, you ain't got nothing to worry about.
Sounds good for me.
Of course. Oh man. There's so many freaking forex brokers that I'd be like, what? Like, who are you? I ain't never heard of you. Like, man, I can't even count how many that has reached out to me. Like, it's crazy. It's too much. That was before this whole thing with, this US regulations.
Oh. So now they're all like, nope.
Some are still reaching out, but once I see I'm in the US, that's the end of the conversation.
Yeah.
You're about to try perfume. What would be my best advice at the time of choosing accounts and benefits? I mean, like I said earlier, as long as you're not in the US, I mean, all these big perfumes is good, but I recommend 3. Number 1, 5%ers, Forex Funder, and Funded Nest. Those are the 3 that I recommend, so you can choose whichever one you want. I'm still trading my funded account with the 5%ers, so, and I'm in the US. Why not FTMO? FTMO is good too. You can go with FTMO. Yeah, Nicholas, I know the broker you're talking about. They have their own trading platform. So, and that trading platform, I'll be with them soon. The only thing I do not like about their trading platform is that their app is not good. Their app sucks. But the website, the web app is good. The web app is good. So you're just gonna have to trade on your computer. you can use the app also, but when it comes to macking up your chat and all that stuff, it's not good. I was looking at it yesterday, and man, I'm like, man, this is not good. I don't like the app, but the chart itself is good. The web chart is good.
All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get
Well,
enough.
they are regulated, so that's good.
Money that's a lay. Take advantage of my time to get a payday. I've been to myself, I've been
Man,
out the way.
what was I just saying about freaking brokers reaching out to me? I'm just looking at my freaking email right now,
Like some poutine. Growing up,
and
dreams, still on the hoop scene. But I turn hoop dreams to boot dreams. And look, we made it.
this is what? This is called.
Famous.
Man, I can't even pronounce this.
Take a cookie cutter system and go bust it down and bake. Okay.
Look at that.
What's up?
I don't know if you guys can look at that. That's crazy.
Marathon for months.
I don't know if you guys can see it. Hopefully you guys did.
I've been on a paper chase for months.
That's crazy.
I've been on a marathon for months. All in all, I can't just get enough. I know.
Never heard of that name before.
But I'm really millions. Soundtrack the world, got 'em messing with
Too many Forex brokers.
This is really just some biz. Big business and I stand on it. I've been on myself, put some bands on it. No days off, put the time in. Who me? Take a break.
We live stream London session every day. You guys will find out on Monday, Mr. K.
What you step in, not what I'm stepping
Can you sign up with FTMO if you're in the US? No.
Okay.
No, you can't.
What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months.
I agree, Nicholas.
All in all, I can't just get enough. I know. What's up? I've been on
You think my funded FX is very good and have a broker for US? Oh, okay. Good morning, another day.
It's a sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. 10 a.m. Used to sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m.
Frank Appia, are you related to Jackie Appia?
What it is. I don't frown a lot. No. Lately blessings coming down a lot. They coming down. I see my fam, I can't be down and now. I can't be down. Since 17, they tried to knock me down. Don't ever count me out. I could go round for round. Don't need no friends, don't need no one around. Don't need no one. I get some blues, I get to thumbing down. I get to thumbing. It comes to me, don't do no running round. No time for running round. I get upset,
You related to Jackie Appia?
I get upset, but I cannot complain.
Wait, is she still acting though? I know she's older now, but she's still acting though. I don't watch Ghanaian movies anymore. Live in the same area in Accra. Nice.
Hold up, wait a minute, let me say something. How could you be stagnant when it's bass thumping? Cause she threw the hoop and I grabbed it and dunked it. My game comes to
Your last name is Appia too? Oh, really?
please don't wait up. Me plus motion, that's a layup.
Back then, among all the Ghanaian actors, that was my crush.
Night after night, remember when I would stay up. Fight after fight, knocked down, but I found a way up. No picking sides. I got my
When I was younger.
down for the ride. Far from the end. Giddy up. 10 a.m. Used to
Oh, she doesn't act anymore? Oh, wow.
early bird gets the word what it is. All these birds, they get curved what it is. 10 a.m. Used to sleeping, I've been up since 6 a.m. Early bird gets the word what it is. All these birds, they get curved what it is. eons. Friend like you don't be on. Pull off in the Tesla, Elon. When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I be gone. See ya. See ya. See ya.
Our mother is more beautiful, really.
See ya.
I'll get LB said MILF.
Be gone.
Yep, she is a MILF now.
Back to back shifts, so just looking for the ring. I wake up, I brush my teeth. I wake up, I bought 2, 3. I wake up like, ooh, that's me. Brand new car, like, ooh, that's clean. Track suit pants, don't wear no jeans.
Oh, Kid B, you know who Jackie Appiah is still?
Calisthenics. Talking about a bag, you got bad credit. New MX, we don't use debit. Call it.
You need to visit Ghana. You only went there once when you were a child. Wow.
I just get up and I zoom. I don't need proof on the proof. I be way up in the moon. I'm looking down on you. Hey nigga, I'm proud of you. Stack money a mile or 2. I might go forever.
5 minute probably book. Nah,
Pull up in the Tesla, Elon.
not this to enclosure only 5.
When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I be gone. See ya. See ya. See ya.
Oh, you don't know her? Oh.
See ya.
But if her mom is more beautiful, that's MILF material.
Be gone. I'm on a run and you better know.
Shit, her mom is probably,
I'm here to stay and you better
she's probably in her 60s.
I'm at the table, I'm up again.
That's grandma.
I'm here to win. Don't cook correct and don't come again.
That's grandma, Kid B.
What I need, I collect for my seeds. Would've thought my name tree.
Yeah, best time to visit definitely is December.
I don't like to be seen. I just get up and I zoom. I don't need proof on the proof. I be way up with the moon.
Good morning, Michael.
Looking down on you. Hey nigga, I'm proud of you. Stack money a mile or 2. I might go forever, go for eons.
How is that gift?
Elon. Pull off in the Tesla, Elon. When I was a kid, I was a phenom. When I was a kid, I was a beast. I pull up, then I
What's
be
my
gone.
bias today on gold sales?
See ya. See ya. Be gone.
But when it comes to bias, I would say I do be having bias every time I look at the chart, but I don't like, how do I say, I don't focus on that. Right? I don't go into the market saying, oh, okay, I see my bias is sales, so then that's what I'm going to stick to. Right? I don't do that. At the end of the day, I just act once I see what the market is doing, and then I execute.
Say all that talking on the phone, but you never making plays. Playing phone tag. You're it. Pick up mode.
Because when you focus on your bias, let's say you have a bullish bias, and then once the market starts selling, and market shows you that she wants to sell, you'll be scared to take it because you're so focused on your sell bias.
Blues and pinks, I'm running on. In my lane, no 101. Fake love, I'm allergic to. Real love, yeah, I need me some. Call my bae and book a trip. Bring the kids, let's run it up.
I'm sure it has happened to you multiple times before. You
Double G, have it fun, this will
started looking at this chart in your mind.
be too. This is me.
You say to yourself, oh, this is bearish or this is bullish, and then the market started doing the opposite, and then
Never making plays. Playing phone
you stayed away
You're it.
because you're scared, because the market is not doing what you thought it was going to do.
Much to say. All that talking on the phone, but you never making plays. Playing phone tag. You're it.
So
Pick up mode.
when I'm looking at the chart, I'll have a bias. Like right now, I have a bearish bias, but I also do know where I'm going to take buys if that happens. So that's how I trade.
I wear my new shoes today. Stepping in my shoes today. Don't step on my shoes today. Happy with an attitude. Please don't think I'm mad at you. I work on my gratitude. Throwing
It's a bias, not a marriage.
Why I don't have much to say.
Oh yeah, don't get married to your bias. Yep, that was the word I was looking for. Yep, don't get married to your bias. That was the word I was looking for.
Swear I cannot do no wrong. Why I don't have much to say. All that talking on the phone, but you're never making plays. Playing phone tag. You're it. Pick up more.
Hold on, wait a minute. What's the full meaning of bias? Why do we use this word? Bias. What's the meaning? I need to know what the meaning is now. Wow, what's the meaning?
Jesus, I don't know how to explain it. Never even thought about it before. That's crazy.
Because this is not an English word, is it? Bias, is it?
All right. Google says the inclination or prejudice for or against one person or group, especially in a way considered to be unfair.
Wait a
Another
minute.
way is cause to feel or show inclination, prejudice for or against someone or something.
Prejudice and then unfair, that doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't relate.
Yeah, I think that's like maybe in terms of like racism, woke bullshit. I think the proper one is probably cause to feel or show inclination or prejudice for or against something.
That's interesting. Okay, Olayiwola has another word. It says bias is a but wait a minute. Well, I'm gonna leave that one out. Bias is say, hey, whatever that is, which in favor of or against an idea or thing. Man, I don't know. The banks are tricking us with the word bias. Who came up with that word? I don't know what you read it too well. I don't know. I don't see how it relates to trading with the word bias. I don't know.
In regards to trading, it's just, which way do you lean? So if you're biased one way or the other, maybe you're biased towards, like sells.
Those two words, prejudice and unfair, I don't like it. That's why you don't get married to your bias.
Man, I think the Google search definition, the first thing that pops up is like talking about prejudice, bias, discrimination against someone's race. It's like, damn, bro, what the hell?
That's why
Did you see that thing about the Google AI? It's like it only generates pictures of like all races but white people. It's like, dude, what the fuck?
Oh, and speaking of AI, in California right now, as of yesterday, they now have the first ever all robot restaurant.
What? They cook?
They cook.
Damn.
They do the cooking. They'll give you the food too. They'll serve you the food. Once you go in there and you want to order, you go to like this. It was like a small kiosk, and it has this big screen. You scan your face, then you pay. Come in.
That's interesting.
Yep, you scan your face and then you pay. That's how to recognize. It was gonna recognize you. Yep.
I wonder if they can cook good.
I don't know.
I want to try. I want to try, man.
Man, I don't know if I want to try that one.
Man, I want a
so-
nice medium rare steak.
So
Let's test it. Can you do it?
it was flipping burgers, cooking the fries. I'm like, what the hell?
Man, that's
Yeah. I'm saying that today to let you guys know. YouTube, hey, even you guys on Zoom, if you have a 9 to 5 right now, you better take this serious, man. Because they're coming for your jobs. They're coming for your jobs. So you better take this serious. You don't want to be among those people who will be left without a job.
I would think that for sure fast food restaurants would do that.
Oh, yeah.
McDonald's, KFC, all that.
Every single one of them. Fast food business, even hospitality business, manufacturing business, like especially for those people that work in a warehouse.
Oh yeah.
You said they'll start getting hosted where you don't give a tip.
Can you imagine the robot waiter delivers your food and it's like, yo, where's my tip? I'm not leaving.
Then you better give a tip. Even if the food was nasty, you better still give a tip. Thank you, Anna Baker. Market tends to do the opposite of your thinking. You're thinking sell gold, so I shall buy now. You think we should allow robots to be their customers since they don't want to pay human to work? We got 15 more minutes for London Open. I'll be right back. All right. You said especially if you're in Nigeria, you need to take Forex trading very serious. Man. Like if you tell yourself this is what you want to do, like I don't see why you won't want to take it serious. I'm telling you, man, the future is already here. All these things, they already had it in place, like as far back as 10, 15 years ago. Even before that. Look at all these old movies. Like there are some movies that we watched, like I just can't remember the names right now, like as far back as like the early 2000s, even the 90s, that it just looks so futuristic in the movie. That right there tells you that they had all this technology back then. So it's here, man. It is here. Especially when I watched that movie, freaking I, Robot, Will Smith. That was when I believed it. I, Robot made me a believer. And then on top of that, this other movie, I think it was made in South Africa, it was called Chappie. The movie was called Chappie. It was freaking police robots. It was a very good movie. Even the cops are not, their jobs is not safe. Their job is not safe. I support a robotic cop though. Because what thief or what murderer is gonna go against a robot? He knows he's gonna die. You saw Terminator 2 when it was 2, buzzed you out, Skynet is Google. Yeah, even Robocop, yep, there you go. And that was a long time ago. It was a long time ago. Wait, where was Robocop again? Was that not in the 90s? What? Robocop was in the 80s? Nah. Wait. Robocop was in the 80s? The first one. I thought it was in the 90s. Oh, you're right. The first one was in 1987. Wow. Yep, you can imagine. 80s, as far back as the 80s. Wow. Until said 99 years ago. Where am I from? I'm Nigerian, but I live in the US. I think a big problem for some beginners is that they don't believe trading is real, so they don't try hard and instead they give up. Now, the main issue, and I'm not scared to say it, the main issue is because majority of the beginners, they are so freaking lazy that all they're looking for is the easy way out. And then on top of that, all these Forex gurus are not helping matters either. They're part of the problem. They are part of the problem. For me personally, and I don't care, they ain't got to love me. If they like, they can hate me. I don't give a shit. All these traders sending signals, I don't give a shit. I don't care if you have 1 million subscribers. You're freaking selfish, and I'm not hating. and they claiming they helping you, not helping nothing. You helping your pockets. That's what you're doing. If you're all about helping, you won't be sending signals because you know that signals is not helping. It's not helping. They just gonna depend on you for the rest of their life. If they don't see you, then they fucked. If they don't get trade from you, then they finished. They got to see you before they make money. How is that helping somebody? So, the beginners looking for easy way out and the freaking Forex gurus, they not helping matters either. That is the problem. That's why in this industry, I just stay in my lane. I just do my own thing. I don't send signals. This is all I do. You're looking for signals, you ain't gonna find it with me. You can go somewhere else. But if you're serious about learning and you want to be able to do this on your own, be freaking independent, then I got you. You want to be independent? I got you. If you want to be dependent, then I'm not the one for you. You're in the wrong place. You're in the wrong place. But don't worry, eventually, all these Forex gurus, whether they like it or not, they will be forced to start trading live. Eventually. If anybody comes to me and starts asking for freaking signals, I don't even want to talk to you at all because I already know you're not serious. I don't even want to mess with you. I don't even want you in my circle. Because you're lazy, you're looking for an easy way out. You don't want to put in the work. Did Nigeria lose the AFCON Cup? Yeah, they did. Yeah, I'm gonna clip what I said and freaking put it on Instagram. London opens in 4 minutes. We're still looking for this setup here. If we can get it before we get to this 4-hour support, that would be great. Looking for this and back down to this 4-hour support. See if London volume will give us that move, that pullback. See if the 1 hour will close below that. What's the signal on go? Thoughts on GJ buys? Oh man, you tell me, why do you want to make me look at GJ now? You're trying to make me look at GJ? For retracement pullback, where can we expect price to form resistance? So if we go to the 1 hour, if the 1 hour breaks below 2028.84, which is this the most recent low, now there is a chance we could reject between 2030 and between 2030 and 2031. That should be where we should have the pullback, between 2030 and 2031. That's if we do not come all the way down to this 4-hour support, which I don't want that to happen. I want us to pull back before we get there. Is calling me back? No, GJ is not. That's a lie. That's not happening. If gold breaks 2027.5 and close, that's your interest to sell. 2027. No, that's even 2025. Not 2027. You got all these weeks here. This long bullish candle was a bearish candle before it flipped, so you get a support there if you go to the lower time frame. All right, London is open now. Let's see if we are gonna get a retracement or if we're gonna keep falling. Oh, looks like we're gonna keep falling. Oh, never mind. Hopefully, London doesn't go freaking dead now that London session is open. You're a breakout trader? Okay. Even if you're a breakout trader, man, no, you don't want to take a sell at below 2027. But hey, everyone trades differently. I'm not a breakout trader. Me looking at GJ right now is like freaking hanging out with your ex after a breakup. That's true, Alicia. It's like hanging out with your ex after a breakup.
my wrist, for real. LV on my chick, for real. Waco taking risks, for real. Went through hell to get to this, for real. I'm not pressed with making lists, for real. I stay low and stack my chips, for real. You keep looking for a flip, for real. That's not wealth, that's rich, for real. For real. For real.
Me personally, man, if I break up with with someone that I'm dating, that's the end. We ain't gonna see each other no more. Except if we have a kid together.
No leaves on the whip, for real. I get bored, I take a trip, for real. Take a loss, I never trip, for real.
If we don't have a kid together,
I'm not a lick, for
what do we have to talk about?
so it's on my hip, for real. Make a move and you get hit, for real. No pictures by the crib, for real. Can't let them know just where I live, for real.
You're waiting, retest, then continuation. Okay. While I'm gonna need to talk to God this session. Where's my gang? This week is actually moving fast. It's already Wednesday.
None of my cash can flow, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can flow, none of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, digital, digital. The dash digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash digital, digital, dash digital. Run it up, digital, 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 digital. Stepping like Marty McFly, stepping I feel like the guy. I got them looking like why? I never doubted me why? I never doubted my guys. You know you in it for win. I stand on 10, you on 10. I don't have friends of a friend, only the fan of the kin. Only my wife and my kids, that's all I needed to win. Now I only trust my true friends. Had to cut off my loose ends. You know I win if you win. You know you win if I win. I swipe that cash, don't fold. I swipe my bank on gold. Don't think that I've been dumb. I spend like I've been broke. None of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on hold. None of my cash can fold. None of my cars are gold. Digital dash on gold. Cash digital, digital, digital. The dash digital, go, go, go. Digital, 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 digital. The cash digital, digital. The dash digital. Run it up, digital, 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 digital. Living my truth, no tricks. I'm just trying to feed my kids. I'm just trying to keep my way. I'm just trying to live my life while we get rich. My biz, money gon' come, some go. Man, if you know, you know. I've been through highs and lows. Here for the ride, I go. Slide and roll. Up and down, but I get up. The numbers crunching, no sit-ups. I grew up and got dripped up. Purple label, my get up. That's 101, not a one and done. Month to month, and there's more to come. I told Cushy, let's run it up. Now it's millions on millions.
Come on, London, do your thing. Yeah, talk to good, guys. I'll be back.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my confetti. You don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, know they in the town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok. Left hand, right hand. Catch the latest trend, I might double up my net worth. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. Made a wish, now I'm here now. It's for real now. I got everything I wanted and it's jumping like for real now. Out the mud, just enough state boy, now I'm living like for real now. Ain't nothing, just an action with some muscle. I ain't fit 4 days, I just blame it on the hustle. Got these tattoos on my skin, I promise I'm no trouble. I'm cash inside the duffel, not sex inside the rustle. I get fly, you be crutching on designer that ain't fly. And then let I scoop the cat or something fast for when I slide. Burning rubber, they gon' tax me for the tires, it's alright. On my lonely, I just start up that new iron and I ride. Yeah, this is not a trend. Tattoos on my skin, I'm my daddy's twin. I'm a businessman, just like Jigga said. Pennies to an end. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down. I've been going up now, see the top going down. If you didn't know now, I know you know now. That's cause he could go on top, you not really top. You keep saying top, well I guess you let the top down.
Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy, go faster, ayy. I'm wake up, go down. I'm pray to God like a nun. I'm put that on my son. On go like 3, 2, 1. Don't smoke, I need my lungs. I stack and feed my funds. I'ma do this, have fun, ayy. I'm blasting, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. You do you, I do me. I'ma take this overseas. I'ma do this for my seeds. Wife your hair, wrist, bling bling. You heard top speed, that's me. You heard that it up, that's me. You heard way up, that's me. I'ma soundtrack everything, ayy. I'm blasted, ayy. Don't matter, ayy. Can't match it, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Go faster, ayy. Speed it up, 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 speed it up. Go faster, ayy.
See if this is the retracement we're waiting for.
Go faster, ayy.
See if this is a doji or London.
Edwin said, "Don't jinx it, one."
Feel me?
Shake it up.
You feel me? No cash on me.
Man, I need the old London session back, man.
You feel me? Walk in the door, shake up the building. Yeah, shake it up, 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 shake it up. Ooh yeah, shake it up, 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 shake it up. Don't care, cash, got cars. No lean on my cars. Carhartt on my heart. Tattoo on my scars. Tattoo my new scars. My life has been hard. See me in the light. I was in the dark. I wake up, I send it. I wake up, I spend it. I drive Chevy, no Benzes. See me slide, not tenant. My house, yeah, I own that. Your house, yeah, it's rented.
Yesterday was crazy though. That gold setup finally came at what? Was it like around 5? I think 5 my time. Whoa, 5:30. 5:30. An hour 30 minutes before NY open. That's crazy.
I mean, that might as well be pre-New York.
Yeah.
Shoulder got a chip. My best friend, my chick. My best friend go whip. My best friend, she pull up with a stick. My best friend, she pull up, then she skirt off and we dip.
But NY was good though.
No cash on me. Swipe for a milli, yeah.
For the indices, it was good.
Yeah.
For gold, man, that's some choppy shit.
Mhm. Yeah, NAS yesterday, yeah, straight TP, no BS.
Love it.
Buy gold now, alright? Okay, you can buy. I'm waiting for the sales. When you go to get prematurely, you almost shit your pants.
Oh, Edwin, you got in on the first entry?
Oh, damn.
Uh, that means Edwin and OM were there like just shitting their pants in silence.
Yeah, because they have pending orders.
I'm pretty sure it flipped bullish, that candle.
Yeah, but not. It wasn't strong. I think it was doji, flip doji.
Yeah, it was like going all over the place.
Yeah. That's why you need to give it time to settle. At least 5 minutes after NYC.
Give it that first 5-minute candle.
Yeah. You were like Jesus, Nas. That's when we remember to call Jesus. Yeah, man. You start you start begging God, like, God, please.
Know you're busy saving lives, controlling fate, and all that shit, but I really need this trade to work out. Please.
Please, God, let me win this trade. Oh, man. Will I enter on the retracement or wait for the break of the lows? No, I'm not waiting for the break of this lows. I'll enter the retracement. Started your trading journey in 2021 before the company layoffs. Hoping the course can help improve your FOMO and confidence. 10K would be a much needed capital to continue your trading journey. You can get there. You can get there. That's one of the reasons why my course comes with a mentorship, because I know after just the course alone is not enough. You still need guidance. That's why mine comes with mentorship. You're not just gonna get my course and then I'll be like, bye bye, you're on your own now. Nah, you still get to be with me for at least 6 months. We could have a slight pullback, which is going to be to this first supply, or we could have a deep pullback, which is going to be to this second one, or even this third one. One of these three supplies is going to hold, and that's what I'm going to wait for here.
I just wanna spend the black with you. I just wanna spend some nights with you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. I got things to do. Talking me
But worst case here, if this does not hold, the second one should hold.
plus you. I got things to do. Talking me plus you. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so. Stop playing with me, girl, stop playing with me. Know you wanna stay with me, so just come stay with me. We could be on the run, we could be on the go. We could be in Barcelona, we could be in Mykonos. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. I got things to do, talking me plus you. Only if you say so. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so.
What? Flipping bearish?
So, yeah. Only if you say so. Only if you say, only if you say, only if you say so.
It's kind of in an area where support became resistance. Yeah, right here.
Play no games. No way. 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 I can't play. I can't play.
Man, I need to smoke.
You can't so way. I'm on cool. I got babies, they got needs, and I'ma meet 'em. I got babies, so I clothe them and I feed 'em. I got babies, living angels, they're no demons. I got babies, you meet God if you mistreat 'em. Play no games. No way. 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 Got me paid for sure. Rapping work. Those paid year to year, every year. You know it. Got no TikTok, not a flash, it's everlasting. I don't rock none, if I see you busters have 'em. I'm athletic, I wear track pants, never matching. I'm a baller, watch me euro to the basket. Play no games. No way. Play no games. No way. Play no games. No way. Play no games. No
The XY is flying in London session. How do I like Texas? Texas in my move here. Texas is cool. Texas is nice. If it taps 2031, 5-hour flips bullish. Man, I just don't want today to be as long as yesterday's session.
Really been going back to back to back to back to back to back to back. Like the neighborhood warriors.
How they said everything is big in Texas. You're in line up. Everything is big in Texas.
That's an A1.
That's not a myth, that's a fact.
Tell the chef, I said thanks. Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops. Drop a lot and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop. I just wake up. I don't say nothing. I'm on go. I don't stay long. I've been up now.
200K, you can get a nice house, yes.
Down too. Like this day strong. I got some
Depending on the area.
in the summer, boy. I keep making noise. I've been paranoid. This is God body. You can never void. I don't miss. I don't play none. I don't diss. I don't say none. I go switch. That's an A1. I stay with no A1.
But Washington is BS.
Tell I'm in the bank. Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops. Drop a lot and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop. These beats are up and beat 'em. These bags you can't believe 'em. I never saw the country but the money comes with Sweden. I meet 'em then I leave 'em. I wake up fight my demons. I never grew my circle. I can't trust you with my freedom. Get me locked down. Keep you locked out. Only when it's here.
Damn, flip bullish again.
Get drops now. On the top now. In the winter
You were thinking a quick jab buys
I don't go bust and I go
on gold if she makes a minor resistance, almost 1-to-1.
ghost. But tell me I'm more like his lead. Rockstar, baby turn
You see this horizontal red line I have here? This is a 1-hour supply from here to 2032. From 2030 to 2032 is a 1-hour supply. So you don't want to get in buys.
Tell my mom I'm living good. Tell my kids don't stress a thing. I go back to back on the drops. Drop a lot and she pack the bags. She shot till we drop.
Electricity available in Texas. Not just Texas, that's everywhere in the US. 3 to 4 pips you have to BE.
Oh, that teacher FX guy. He does that.
Does what?
Like, it's like 4 pips, he'll go break even on his trade.
Yeah. Because it trades 5 minute, 1 minute.
Yeah, I was like, how's that? How do you not get stopped out? How's that possible?
But I think he only does that if when he's on a 1 minute. I think if he's taking a trade on a 1 minute.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I don't know how. I don't know. I can't trade in 1 minute. I just can't. Too much going on. I can't do it.
It seems too hard to trade the 1 minute with like, tiny range and spread. It's like if you're going break even at like 4 or 5 pips, that's more like 3 or 4 pips because you got to add a pip or two of spread.
Yeah. But like if you have a small account, trading the 1 minute is not worth it. But if you have a big account, you can get away with it.
Yeah. Wow, and then you're going to be paying like, quite a lot of commission fees
Yeah.
for small gains.
I think I told you guys a story of this trader that I know. He only gets 5 pips. That's it.
Oh yeah.
The 5 pips is done. But he had a big account.
Are you talking about Donvo Ape?
Nah. I don't think Don was trading at this time.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I'm that cash money getter, big show stopper. 4 kids having no shame.
Say wow, the instigator.
Work my business, count them digits, earn them winnings. I see you in my review and you
I cannot deny.
doing numbers with your band line. And you know my little baby band fine. In the
You can't deny what we're waiting for it.
I've been to myself, just me lately.
I just can't deny.
Me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. I don't gotta say too much. My bros know the
God used to move like crazy at London Open. Yeah.
life been moving faster, you should pray for us. Just got a text, so I hit. I don't need designer fits, but I like how designer fit. LV with the Prada mix. This is not a mannequin. You see what I'm standing in.
That's why I need Trump back.
Cause I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in my way. You can't get in my way. I'ma be me all day. I'ma be me all day. And you can't get in
Trump 2024, yes. For sure.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, two friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop. And I can't stop.
There was a time, I think this happened recently, maybe last week or 2 weeks ago, that all the truck drivers in New York, they went on strike because of Trump.
If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. This the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your hands up.
DXY is flying, but gold is barely moving. Ooh. Yep.
It's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's
That DXY is flying.
loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on. Talking big, big. I knew that one day that I could make it big, big. I'm talking high to stay smoking without a sissy. Now we get up and do roll like we got a big rig. It's getting serious. I know you're curious. See some losses through the process had me furious. But I got eyes on the vision, can't get delirious. Fall in love with the game and then you marry it. I think I married it. This the anthem. If you reckon
GDP gonna slam DXY to the ground. Possibly.
it's the anthem. If I give you my word, that's what I stand on. Loyalty and trust is what I stand on. Family and love is what I stand on. If it's love, I got it tatted. Father, I'm not absent. I was working smarter back when they was working backwards. Do it for the gram, you only do it for a caption. Dropping back to back, but really I've been relaxing. I might go for months, I could go for years. If I take a break, I promise I'll be relapsing.
Looks like today, God is just, she's just only trying to give a break and retest here.
That leap of faith, yeah, I really dove off. Nothing
But that's not what we're looking for.
for my kids, I go hard, gotta go hard. This the anthem. If you rockin' with it, put your hands up. Yeah, this the anthem. If you get up and get it, put your
Since DXY is flying, girl should be pushing down. Man, I wanted to pull back before she pushed down. I want that retracement. Looks very tasty for an impulse sales. Huh.
Good luck, Edwin.
Yep. You're on your own, Edwin. Even though we win and lose together, but on this, you're on your own.
Yep.
Sorry. Yeah, Rahul, we got GDP today.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just pull it out and count for nothing when I'm feeling great.
You're gonna vote for Trump? Man, me too, man. That's who's getting my vote. If they freaking let him.
Oh, I saw some YouTube about Trump. It was pretty crazy. It was like something about Trump wanted to like get a loan from the bank, and he said his net worth was like however many billion or whatever. And then the bank said that it was like I think it was something like they needed to check because they didn't believe him, you know. They have to check. And then they checked it out and they couldn't really confirm if it was that much. They were like, we'll only value you up to like 1 billion, not 3 billion or whatever it was. And then somehow he got sued for fraud for like 300 million. It's like, what the fuck are you talking about?
Yeah, that's what's been going on.
Yeah, why are they making up all this bullshit on Trump? What's going on?
Yeah, they said he paid the loan back. I mean, he has a lot, like, he doesn't even really need to do much because he's got a lot of collateral, he's got a lot of assets. Multiple hotels here, multiple hotels in China, and you know, some other parts of the world. And that's just his hotel business, not to talk of other stuff.
He's hard to control, goes against the machine. Yeah. But at least, you know, if they're gonna try to do something to him, like, should be fucking, you know, factual, legal. Shouldn't just make up bullshit.
Yeah, man. We make us say greatest come man ever.
Like COVID? What happened with Trump and COVID?
COVID? I don't know.
Yeah.
He didn't do nothing. Looks like gold is trapping both buyers and sellers. Yeah, just freaking ranging here. And also for me personally, I won't even be looking to sell right here. If we didn't have this 4 hour support here, let's say if I was a break and retest trader, I wouldn't be looking to sell this thing until we start breaking this low. Why? Because of the way this bullish candle rejected. You see how we rejected? Rejected with a long bottom wick, and it has no top wick. So you got a rejection at the bottom here. So you got a higher chance of this pulling up some more. Will I vote for Trump? Yeah, that's who I'm voting for. If I get my passport by then. Do I prefer indica or sativa? I prefer sativa. All God had to do was should have just waited for London session before she gave this move, this setup, this drop right here. Man, London session is just always boring these days.
Watching all my movements, you watch my lead. We are not the same, no, I'm out your league. I been went pro, I been went big, I been went for that's not your biz. I been on top, I been made hits. No recognition, still not gon' miss. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing around like playing with me. Stop 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 playing with me. Who that not y'all? Counting all day like the clock on the wall. It's not my fault, I'm not gon' lie. I've been there broke and that's not my type. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing around like playing with me.
If Biden win, this country is good. Wait, you said if Biden win, this country is going to hell. US is opening border for vote surrender so they can vote to sleep in jail. EU GU crashing hard. US 30 is crushing. White stick with gold doing London. I prefer gold doing London. When it comes to indices, I just would rather trade them doing NY, especially after NYSE. That's what I prefer. Everyone has their preference. Well, let me see what you're talking about with US 30. US 30 actually booked a demand. It's not really doing anything yet. It rejected this low. It's not doing nothing. Not doing anything as of right now. Yeah, US 30 is not doing anything as of right now. You wait just in this range right now. It's not doing anything. Man. Gold is making you young, man. You and me both. If gold start pushing down, you look for buys. But not right now. I don't even want to say it, man, but the way this is looking, might be a pre-New York trade. That's it, even if that happens. $40 pip range. Where do you see $40 pip range? Talking about gold.
Alright, yeah. Okay. Bring around the rosy, pockets full like OD. I can move just how I move, cause don't nobody know me. Low key, still do more numbers than your fate. You can hate, but you can't say that I've been missing any place. Any fool, what it do? Moving quick, busting moves, steps
And take a look at Nas.
trying to catch a snooze, keep it smooth. Not concerned with other dudes or what they do. Keep it true, I kick the truth. I'm not here so I can lose. How'd you like it back to the bank? Tell her on us. Put in overtime, so I do what I wanna. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Alright.
Nas still rejected that 4-hour support late NY session.
Press none stress when I'm working. Full court press none less than 100. Full court press straight flex, close the curtain. Full court
Man, just look. Could have taken his sell.
and I stay humble.
Once he broke below this low right here.
Talking about some leverage, but you been had plenty from us.
See something in the 30.
So I could double when the any
Up there.
take a penny from us. Full court
Bam, bam.
night with my attitude.
You got your sell. This candle right here. And it's still falling. Where was this? Wow, started falling pre-London.
And that made me a better man. Now
And it's fell almost 50 pips.
I don't do this for
Almost 500 points.
real life for real. My real life for real. For real. So I do what I, yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Full court press, none stress when I'm working. Full court press, none less than 100. Full court press, straight flex, close the curtain.
What am I waiting for?
From the surface.
I've been waiting for a retracement. And now, looks like we might not get it. So I'm waiting to see how we're gonna react once we get to this 4-hour support. That's what I'm waiting for right now at this point.
Switch that V6 for the EV. Ride around my city. You should come ride with me, yeah. Feel me if you hear me sip. Water like a fish sip. I water to the gillies, yeah. This a new wave, this a takeover. Do it for the future, time to get a world of makeover. Time never stops, no the timing is not. Time to clean up the block. Streets been a mess. How can I breathe? Smoke in the air, pure gasoline. I see the news, see what you read. Change gotta come, put that on me and watch me educate. Yeah, we been could've started, but it's never late. Do it for my kids, yeah, let's set it straight. Do it for your kids, gotta set it straight. It's time to regulate. We need change now. We need solar, we need EV in the game now. Make it changes so the earth we know can stay around. Make it change cause we had no time for playing around. Let's quit the playing around. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need.
Oh man.
Sweep up the scene. We going green, work as a team. First rule to me, let's keep it clean. Watch how we build, clean air we need.
You wish you traded as well as you play poker?
We going green. New
Don't worry, it's coming. Excuse me, guys. It's coming.
I'ma get my all till I'm dying. I'm the new Captain Planet. Here to make changes, not damage. World on my shoulders while I'm standing. I'm the new Captain Planet.
What a lot of
Changes, not damage.
beginners don't understand when it comes to trading is that the more you do it, the better you get.
And we need stuff from the flow. Sweep up the scene. We going green. Work as a team.
Trading is life.
Let's keep it clean. Watch how we build. Clean and we need stuff from the flow.
Anything, like in anything, the more you do something, the better you become. And that's how trading is. You just got to pay attention. It's not just trading, you also got to pay attention. It's gonna be a while for setups, man. Good job, Edwin. Good job. That's nice. That's very good that you noticed that.
Damn, Edwin. What the hell took you so long to notice that?
Come on, wow. Let him feel good at least. Let him feel good.
Oh man, I'm an asshole. Ah.
It's my boo. I can make $250,000 off a haiku, and I can make another quarter off it ×2. If it's money on the table, I'll be on it like Bobby or Epic.
Because even if we break 2025, we still fucking gotta wait again.
Summertime and then why?
Because if we reject here, man, I ain't taking no buys. Forget it. Not with what we have right here.
I'm talking 6 a.m. tea times. 18.
It keeps breaking lows.
I waited for it, gotta get mine. Snag a seat up at the table if my man can't. Head into a meeting, we're familiar with no briefcase. Just my mind in a free state. I got a plan through a vision, but it takes time. I'ma make
If we do not break,
summertime and then why?
if we do not break above 2036, there is no buys. And if you break above 2036, that's just gonna be quick buys, even if you freaking get it, because you have the major move that started this move to the downside at 2041. So 2041 was the move, was where this bearish move started. 2041. 2041, and then you had your first continuation at 2039. You get another one at 2036, another one at 2033, another one at 2032. So no freaking buys. I just don't see it at all. Until we get to this demand or 2016, 2015. That's where I see buys. Right now, I just don't see it. I don't see buys at all. Even if this 4-hour support holds, I'm not taking buys.
Used to run through the money, now I'm too old. Man, I'm just playing. Shot when I land. Promoter paid for 6 flights, got the team right. I just told Mr. Band, came in for the bands. Beachside Villa for aesthetic, just because and now I'm even like the sand. Stan Smith sneakers on the beach, that's the water. I just came in for the
There are times that you can take like pullbacks or retracements, whatever you want to call it. And there are times you just can't. It's just not there. Like there's just no room at all for you to take a pullback trade. And one of those times is today. This session. I don't know about New York session, but this London session, there's no room for pullback buys, in my own opinion.
Give me a reason not to change on you once I give me a million. I got checks in Hamburg, I might fly out this evening. I got checks in Moscow, I'll be back in a weekend. If it wasn't for COVID, I'd be in Europe touring. Counting cash on the couch is getting kinda boring. Must be talking about kids when you talk driving foreigns. Say I'm lying and I'm telling stories, or you can't. Tell them why you mad for.
It's leaving us with another supply here now. 30 minutes is about to close.
I can hit the studio and spit till my jaw's broken. For records in the hour, I'm not bragging, it's all boasting. Pen the top 10 and ball for ball, and it's all coasting. And it's easy for me. Just tell me go and I'm on go, it's no reason for me. Doing features for a feature that's reaching for me. My next show's a mattress store, they been sleeping on me. See, they took my style, see, they been peeking on me. That's why I'm mad for.
I'll be right back, guys. We still got a lot of waiting to do here. Patience. In this game, we are paid to wait. We are paid to wait.
BTC is going crazy. Let's see. Oh yeah. Man, Bitcoin's gonna touch 60,000 by the hour.
cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just to by my side. This one's for the grind. I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. That's hard to get over. I'm foreigner in the sport, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the door's been open. I knew I was different. I knew I was chosen. A breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken. Authentic like a 5950, and there's no cap. Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the they done baptized the bad guy. Still don't follow religion. The fabric's not average. The cotton's Egyptian. 500 for the shoes come dirty, but the European. Less is more and less is the bank. Up the score, I pull up from Trey. From the tray, I'm ballin' like Trey. Do what I can, I do what you can't. I wrote this 30,000 feet up. 10 toes, stay G'd up. I'm tryna get that type of wealth, like a house on the hills, can't see us. Say the money still me up. Stay humble, stay teed up. I don't tell you how to live, so don't hit me with no weak stuff. And if you know the deal, then you know the deal. If it's real, then you know it's real. Toast. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Work hard, get dough. Slippers make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes, so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my packs. I'm doing great now, just in case they ask. In the booth and I lay it down, I might take a nap. And they thought I was playing around, I was up like my tax. Living fast, over limit on the freeway, hope no cops pass. Had to dip off for a minute, yeah that's my bad. But I can't stay for too long, I gotta go. I grab my bag and hit the dash, yeah adios. I drop the clutch and slam the gas, and it's vamonos. If you're not first and you're in last, Ricky Bobby quote, you gotta know. Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes, so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad.
Oh, all right, come on, Goldie. Break.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes, so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though.
All right, guys. I'm still here. I'm just gonna turn off my camera. I gotta eat.
Ten toes down, I'm a ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down,
wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Pedal to the floor, to the engine. Head up in the clouds when I levitate. We don't spit game, we just educate. 10-10-80, how the paper straight. Couldn't get it back then, so I had to wait. Now the money come to me, so I don't have to chase. I don't gotta flash none, I don't gotta fake, darling. We not practicing, we ballin'. And heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. Heads up, I'm coming. This is all we ever wanted. Go and stack it by the hundreds. This is all we ever wanted. I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with the gang. My whole life I've been doing my thing. Get that money, ain't no thing. Anything I do for the gang. Be my only way, be my one away. You're my only way, be my heartbreak. Be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love, be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me, then babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. Calm you down cause you been acting reckless. Flood the ring and I bust down the necklace. Doesn't mean a thing, just know I spend it. Doesn't change a thing, just know I spend it on you. Get you Louis if you want it, no, that's nothing, no. You can tell me that it's something, but it's nothing, no. You ignore me, but you're always on that phone. Acting funny, but you tell me that you love me, though. Yeah, you tell me that you love me, though. Wanna believe it, but I feel it, that it's something wrong. Babe, just tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love, be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me, then babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. I was doing me, left you neglected. Now I feel the pain, I feel the tension. I know I did you wrong, it's unexpected. I know I did you wrong, but I still checking on you. Now you tell me that you're leaving, but you frontin' on. Getting done, I'm going out like who you stuntin' for. Girl, stop playing, all I'm saying is when you coming home. Say you hate me, but I really know you love me though. Yeah, I really know you love me though. Wanna believe it, but I feel it, that is something wrong. They just tell me what's going on. Be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love, be my heartbreak, be my one away, be my only way. You're my only love. Message, hit me now, hope you get the message. Who are you texting? It's not me, then babe, who are you texting? Hit me back, I hope you get the message. She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topics, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm like, wow. She poppin' and droppin', she rockin' topics, no stopping. Got me deep in my pockets, I'm about to give her my wallet, and I'm like, yeah, I'm
All right. Try SKL. I don't know what that is. Am I in any trades now? Man, Yamal is playing so good. Oh, what's that, Elisio?
I don't wanna, no, I don't wanna keep playing with you, keep playing with you. I just wanna, yeah, I just wanna sustain with you, play no games with you. You're the apple in my eye, my eye. Every time.
Oh, this is 16-year-old. Oh, wow. There's a 16-year-old playing for Barcelona. Wow. He must be very good. Damn, at 16? Sheesh. Wait, is he playing for the youth team or the senior team? Because he's just 16. If he is playing for the senior team, then, man, he's very good. Senior, wow. He must be very good. Yeah, man. And I'm gonna watch some of his highlights after this stream. I like stuff like that. He's playing better than Lewandowski. What country is he from? It looks like he's Brazilian or Colombia or Cuba. Looks like he's South American. He's from Spain? Nah, they need to check what he spent. Yeah, he looks like he's South American. He doesn't look Spanish. Wow, first team of Barcelona at 16. Damn, he's good. He's good. Even Messi couldn't do that. I think Messi got the first team, I think at 18 or 19. 17? Yeah. Wow. He did what Messi couldn't do. But then again, during Messi's time, you still had, man, Barcelona's team was shit. Full. Barcelona's team was full at that point. Can you sell gold now? Well, if you want to, what do you think? When Messi was in Barcelona, that was my Spanish team when I used to watch soccer. I mean, what I'm about to say might be wrong, but I feel like we are going to break, and then news might push us back up. That makes DSY is going to fall and gold is going to push up.
Blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no armor. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't.
Or we could just range here and then keep falling with the news and possibly then now reject this demand to push back up and then continue to fall again. So we should have a good New York session regardless. Oh, his mom is South Africa, from South America, and his dad is African. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah, FX, exactly. The team Messi had to break into, was Ronaldinho. Yep, you had Ronaldinho, you had Xavi, you had Iniesta, you have Eto'o. Yeah, yeah, that was what I said. That team was full. There was no chance for Messi. No chance for Messi at that age, at 16. He was already in the youth team of Barcelona, but he just couldn't break into the senior team. Yeah, stars everywhere. And even when Messi started, at first he was coming off the bench. Because, man, you had Xavi holding down the midfield, and you had Iniesta distributing the ball, and then Ronaldinho doing his playmaking stuff and scoring. And if you really look at it too, when even when Messi got to the senior team, he wasn't really playing midfield, it was still Ronaldinho. Barcelona now is full of trash. Oh, PyFX, what's your paymentship team?
Everything that we do exclusive, make sure that it's all inclusive. I was taught make no excuses. As a man, you can't be useless. Man up cause these people ruthless. Down these thoughts clueless. Lobster Mac, I'm up at roof.
What? Tottenham? What?
Get the loot, then your dreams is gonna be lucid. Fool me one time, shame on you. Second time, you gonna be foolish. All that BS for the birds that come to me, I'm chucking.
I thought you were good. No, I'm not hating. I thought you were gonna say like Liverpool or Man U or something. Or maybe even Chelsea. But Tottenham? Everybody's laughing at you, boy. He said someone has to support them. Oh, you live in Tottenham, kid, a bit, and you don't support them? Oh, you don't do football?
We in here laying tracks again. This hit was designed and it wasn't by no accident. Like Dill said on tempo, had to switch up the tempo, and we never.
Oh, so FX is definitely a die-hard fan. You were born there. Oh, yeah. That's your childhood team.
Flip like a snitch when I spit words. Quick, I spit the vicious shit. Then I dip swerve. Driving through a lane less infested with lanes. And I set
Oh, you took it a bit. Oh, wow.
best. I'm playing chess learned. Y'all was playing checkers, Papa Sans and my Passat. I was off the rock and nothing changed cause I'm still on. 1 to a million. I'm crazy beyond gone. Most convoluted mind in the world since the dawn of Swan. Conquer the world with wonton soup recipes like much love to the God beat. I'm probably afflicted with cerebral palsy. The way I keep slipping off these bits of odd speech singing. You could chase a dollar, yeah. You could chase a dream, but you chase a happy ending. That be something you ain't seen.
Bible on it, just 100 on the dash. Quick flip, clutch, quick, or this all could crash. I got the records that make up the math. I put my head down and get to the bag. You talking like I got you mad. To keep it real, I'm playing with you still. I rap part-time, still got more numbers than you ever will. Family members wanna make the will. When you up like a Smith in Beverly Hills. Heard they want
I
my
kind of
face
knew
crown.
today was gonna be this session was gonna be a long one, but at the same time, I was also hoping that we get a retracement before we get to this support.
Ain't done a cipher since when Mace was coming back again. This is one take, don't run it back again. This epidemic is epic, gon' make them go cash it in. Yeah.
Because now, if we break below 2025, we're still gonna have to wait for us a price to at least come back to this 30-minute supply or the 15-minute supply before we take anything. So we're gonna be here until NY? Nah. At 16, you were skipping class. 16? What was I doing? No, at 16, I wasn't. I think I said by the time I got to 17, yeah, I was skipping class. I'll skip class to go to the boxing gym.
Wave.
Everything that we do exclusive, make sure that it's all inclusive. I was taught make no excuses. As a man, you can't be useless. Man up cause these people ruthless. Hoes down, these thoughts clueless.
Oh man, this is so boring.
spring, spring, spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I can see. Shorties had chain when the money came. Money bad, here I'm getting money back. Need a money counter for the money, ayy. No, I need you here, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I be counting 30 by the third. Drop top doors go vert. SRT go skirt. Lately like a bub and sin. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a paradigm. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek, huh? Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep. Love when the celly go ring. 2 iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. I don't do skins on skis. Next year, chain for my team. Keep a couple blues in my jeans. Keep a couple cars, no leans. Had to kick the cup, no fee. I could never take a hand out. I could never leave my man down. Yeah, 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 stand out. Plan A, this is planned out. Been smooth like grease. Been smooth John T. Neighborhood,
Let's make this bigger.
Nicholas, that's me. Been real to the T. I never lie through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah. For the green like a leaf. For the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheep. I get to it up in my sleep. Your pain, slap me, I leave my stain. Bad little bitty keep brain, storm my wrist on rain. Ran up out the bank like it's a robbery. Take care of my mommy, I know she proud of me. Yeah, I want everybody case slow. Get the millions and lay low. Take my what I'm gon' wait for. Put my bros on the payroll. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Out of sight, out of mind, out my way. Anything I do it. Ain't nothing to it, just do it. Chest cause I influence. Bank on flow, yeah, fluids. I go dumb, go stupid. Bought a whole house, still roofless. Why you talking bad about me? New coupe, yeah, like a two-fist. Yeah, if you saying that, shoot his air out. Talking on my back, try to tell me.
Man, it's very unfortunate that we couldn't get in this weekend sales.
Promise my kids I'ma make it out.
What? Yamal is worth $1 billion or euros? Probably euros. Already? That's insane. You need to contact him for some money. That's funny. USD is pushing for the second leg down. Let's take a look. You got the Adidas deal? Oh, that's impressive. Yeah, okay. Now USD is breaking. Now you gotta wait for the pullback. and then getting there on the third leg.
We go forever and ever. You know that I'm a trendsetter. You wish that you can do better. No, it won't let up. We go forever and ever. I go and create the pressure. You wish that you can do better. You wish that you can do better. I know that I can do better. I'm so in love with the cheddar.
How far down do I think it might go? I'm anticipating between 2017 and 2015, or even all the way back down to this 4-hour support. So between 2017 and 2014. Saying that because I'll tell you why I'm saying that. The reason why I'm saying that is because the move, right? The move before the bearish move started from 2017, 2016, which is here. So we had this bullish move. This bullish move ended here. And we've been falling ever since. Okay? So we've been falling since then. And now we should come back to where the previous bullish move started from. So that's my reason behind it. That's how you identify where price could potentially head to. Keyword potentially, because nothing is guaranteed.
Busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Yeah.
You're welcome, Grams.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter. I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter. I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I'ma hit for 20 off a laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money is my backdrop. Ballpoint base hit harder than a slap shot. Flew out my baby, told her run me like I'm Epcot. Whoa, I've been doing road on the go. Get a bag and flip it, that's for sure. Yeah, for sure. That was never talking about nothing. Turn it down and go get you some money. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Eyes on the money, my brothers got my back. Streets moving funny, so I been holding strap. Not playing defense, we been on the attack. Plotting and scheming, how we gon' get it back. Designer all on you, but you can buy the swag. No Miris, those fufu, I can see the tag. You can spending this cause I get it back. I'm 5G, your dollar, I can see the lag. All I ever wanted was to have it all. Got close, never froze, had to risk it all. As a little boy, I wish I was a little tall. Never made the league, I found other ways to let me ball. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it.
I don't wanna feel it. Yeah. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. Ooh. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more, she hit me say you quit or she dipping.
Yeah. I don't want pain no more. I don't want no more pain. I ain't gon' see no way.
rain coming down, but it is not purple today. Came a long way from stacking and rolling that change. And all I ever wanted was some real love. Then I iced it on my heart, I watched it build up. My bro, he stay with Tuesday Bob to build up. And I feel on inside, don't wanna feel it. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes a difference. One more sip and I'ma fix it. Out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more and she hit me say you quit or she dipping. Yeah, let me do my thing. Got them greens and pinks and blues, I'll give my kids a change. Don't call me, I sit for none unless you do the same. I want a cat that's fast as that and I don't do no range. Yeah. All I ever wanted was some millions. All I ever wanted was some children. Then I got 4 of them kids and now we chillin'. Nothing's real inside, don't wanna feel it. So I pour up inside my cup and I just sip till I can't feel it. I know it won't solve my problem, but I know it makes
We gotta wait for this support to get taken out, man.
out my body when I'm tempted. I told her one more and she hit me say you quit or she dipping.
Alicia said how to make 3K in 5-minute trading video, and I'm waiting for hours. You find those type of videos on YouTube? And those type of videos is only beginners that be falling for it.
We get to it, got it stocked up, popped up, got a hand all rocked up. Like 1 carat, 2 carat, more carats. She look carrots like a bunny, got a hops up. Don't care for designer, got her own drip. Don't care for the phones, got her own whip. Don't care for the scene, take her own trip. Guarantee is for a bag and she walking. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. She get to the cash when she walk. She look like a bag when she walk. Girl, do it, do it, do it.
I'm gonna start off with this 15-minute supply until we break this support. We break this support, I'll move it to the 30-minute. The reason a lot of traders don't like supply and demand is because it requires a lot of patience. I've said this before and I'm gonna keep saying it. It requires a lot of patience. So supply and demand is not for impatient traders. You're better off trading breakouts. What a push and go. Yeah. You found out about trading from a scammer? Wow. For the new 4-hour candle opens in 15 minutes.
You can assume with your chains on. I can see none with the lights off. Cap, you been the main one. Coolin' when I got my mains on. Show money, but those aren't the same ones. I been told you that it was game on. Been winning since I was on game one. Telling me how to live like you made me. You a dumb and I blame you made me. Money longer than a grown up baby. Step crazy in a new Mercedes. Thinking that's 550. 5 seats, fit the kids in there. Prime steak on my dinner plate. Nike tech for the dinner wear. Flex up, never playing dress up.
You said he had the Audi R8 and shit. This will be the retracement we had, but unfortunately, we rejected the support within Birgit. Wow, look at how this thing just faked in bias. Faked them in and fell. I mean, and flipped.
Man, that's nasty.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like the market's dumping. Nasdaq broke too.
Oh, Nasdaq broke too?
Yep.
Yeah. It's finally breaking below this side because this was a previous very strong 4-hour support. It's really bearish market today.
Yep. Maybe Jeff Bezos knew. Maybe Jeff Bezos knew in advance. Sold that nice 8 billion, you know.
Wait, was it Jeff Bezos or damn, what's the name of this? Bill Gates. I thought you said Bill Gates. Was Bill Gates?
No, Bezos.
Oh wow.
Oh, he sold 8 billion of his Amazon.
Damn. Yeah, Amazon should be tanking.
Yeah.
If he sold 8 billion, that's more than enough to push the market down.
Yep.
The stock market is only worth billions. It's not worth trillions like Forex. Forex is 7.7.
No, I'm pretty sure like some stocks are absurdly priced.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying, like, the stock market is worth billions of dollars, not trillions.
Oh,
That's what I'm saying.
because Nvidia, just
Hmm.
Nvidia alone, it's worth $2 trillion.
Now?
Yeah, right now, 2 trillion.
Nah,
Yeah.
I gotta look that up. If that's true, Nvidia just made history.
No, I'm pretty sure Apple was worth more at one point
No, no,
in
no, no,
time.
no, 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 no. At the rate Nvidia did it, that's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah. It went skyrocket because of the whole AI nonsense.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. It's at almost, yeah, it tapped $800. My God.
Oh my God. Almost $2
Yeah,
trillion dollars.
yeah, 1.97 trillion.
This company was just worth billions of dollars.
Man, it's straight
That's in
vertical the past 2 months.
that
Straight vertical.
that's incredible.
You know that thing's coming straight back down
Oh yeah.
soon.
Yeah. Sooner than later it's coming down. Whoa. It increased 265% in 1 year. That's incredible. Wow. Amazing. Forex daily volume is over 5 trillion. I think it's like 7. I think it's like 7 or 6.
Look at me, I'm on. Touchdown and zone. Home run, Barry Bonds. Can't stop, keep going. Look at me, I'm on. Look at me, I'm on. Look at me, I'm on. Look at me, I'm on.
Wait. So I'm gonna read this. Google says the size of the Forex market, and then it says the worth of the entire global Forex trading market is estimated to be approximately 2.4 quadrillion. In other
What does that even mean?
words,
That is crazy.
that's more than trillion.
Is that the next one up? Or is it
Yeah.
multiple up?
I think it's like twice.
That's the next one up.
Are you sure? I think it's like twice of trillion.
Yeah, million, billion, trillion, quadrillion.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yep,
okay,
okay.
okay. I thought it's like twice of double trillion. That's incredible.
That's more zeros than the size of the typing sheet. 8.5 by 11 can't hold that.
It used to be at 7.7 trillion.
I knew it was billion, trillion, sir.
Yeah.
But now to hear quadrillion, it sounds like Google needs to go back to school.
If this is real, this is crazy. 2.4 quadrillion. The stock market is not even close.
So trading is very stable. Forex is stable, sir.
What happened?
Look at what PyFX wrote. I'm not even going to read it out loud.
I'll read it
Most of
out
that
loud.
is dodgy
High
stop
FX.
loss.
Most.
I knew what would read that.
Oh, man. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, Forex ain't going nowhere.
Really, real, no, this is not for play. I see you and you see me, you wanna ride the wave. I could spot you from a mile away. Tap the gas and I'm gone, this is not a race. I just bought some racks in.
You say, man, with our orders, we can't move nothing. No, we can't move nothing. Jack.
You ain't see the front, but talking back ends. Oh, I see the money, whoa, pick and roll, give and go.
So we gotta wait for them. That's why you buy low and sell high. That's how you invest. If you know anything about investment, you know that you sell when the market is high and you buy the dip when the market is low. I'm good, Alex. 7.5 trillion per day. Will gold retrace before NY open? Man, I don't know. I don't know. Now, if this candle closes bearish, but the 4 hour is about to open, so we got to see what happens. If this candle closes bearish, because now we are rejecting this support that we've created, right? Now, if this candle closes bearish, there is a chance for buys. You got to see how the 4 hour candle closes here. I mean, what the 4 hour candle is going to do. But I also like to see this bearish candle still rejecting this low right here. As long as we do not close below this wick, we could go up here. We could get the retracement from here.
I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon. I've been winning, I'm like, why me? I heard these labels wanna buy me. I don't need you, boo. I style. I roll G's and they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame?
You're just waiting on TDI to cross up. Oh man, I remember when I used to use TDI. Yeah, what was TDI again? I can't remember. It's a combination of moving average. And one more thing I can't remember. Yeah, that was a long time ago. I used to use TDI. I wait for exactly what Nicholas is talking about right there. For buys, I'll wait for it to start crossing up. For sell, I'll wait for it to start crossing down. Man, I've come a long way. Well, Nicholas, very soon you're gonna stop relying on indicators. Man, this thing completely faked out the bias. Just imagine if you sniper the entry this buys right here. Black Mamba sell, not yet, but you can sell if you want to. I'm not a breakout trader. Watching me, one of the things you definitely learn from me is patience. If you don't learn anything from me, you learn that from me for sure. I know that for a fact.
It waited for like the last few seconds just to close below.
Exactly. Exactly. I'm leaving this 4-hour support zone here for now because this bearish candle barely closed below the previous bullish candle. So that's why I'm leaving it on there, because if we have a price pushing up from here, so once we break above 2026, right, once we break above 2026, if we can get a pullback, right, then we'll be good to take the buys back up to the supply. But if we continue to push up with the pulling back, then we wait for the sells. Okay, that's the two setups we'll be looking for here. So either we get this, if price decides to push up just to fake out the breakout traders that are looking to take sales here, and then if we break above this 2026, just wait to see if we're gonna get a pullback, and then we take the buyers back up to the supply. Or if price decide to continue to push up, then we wait to take the sales, meaning if we push up aggressively, we wait to take a sell coming back down. But now I would like to use this 30-minute supply. That means for buys, we cannot tap the 30-minute supply. If we tap the 30-minute supply, you're gonna get a possible sales from there if we tap the 30-minute supply. So that's the play here, guys. That's the play here.
Get up, stretch my legs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Start my day. Wake up, get up.
You're welcome, guys.
Eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face. Throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water.
And if you asking or wondering how do I know all this stuff, or how am I able to just anticipate this stuff that I've been talking about, it's because the more I traded, the more I was learning, the more of all these setups I see. So everything comes with experience. And how do you get experience? You get experience by doing the same thing over and over and over and over again. That's how you get the experience. But you also have to pay attention. If you take a setup, you got to pay attention to that setup that you took. Okay, so that when you see it again, you know what to do. And if that setup does not work, you got to pay attention to that setup so that when you see it again, you will avoid it. That's how you do it.
Attitude change like the weather. My mom tell me it never ends. Like clocks, we evolve in a circle. Every 12 months we do it again. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs. Brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs.
Even when you write on your analysis, God will always fake you out. Yeah, sometimes God does that.
I think you're talking about GJ.
Good does that too sometimes. Not as often as GJ. GJ does it a lot. GJ is worse. This might fall depending on nails, the 2016 or lower. So for me personally, if the volume is really good, we can get all the way down to this demand at least before the nails. And even if we don't, there is a chance the news will take us down here to this demand, and then we could see price push back up from there during the news. And honestly, that's what I want to happen. That's what I want gold to do. I want it to keep falling, but not get to this demand. I'm looking for a retracement and a rejection of this 30-minute supply or the 15-minute supply. That's what I'm waiting for the sales. But if we break above here, I'm gonna need it to come back down to at least to this low, creating a minor resistance somewhere here, then I could take a buy. As long as we do not get to the 30-minute supply. If we get to the 30-minute supply and reject, then I'll be looking to take a sell.
My brothers blood money bleed. I got the game in the squeeze.
What would you do for some green? What would you do for some blues? Go pick and choose the fam of the cheese. Some people not built like that. Some people get killed.
Man, I need to stretch. I've been sitting forever here.
Now I got kids like that. No wonder why I feel like that. Some people go to war for nothing. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Where my friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart. I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike. I go hard day and night. Money on the line, keep calling. Money on the books, need all that. My kids, they'll be ballin'. Got a real bankroll, not for Instagram. My mama on the line, keep calling. Praying for me, know I need all that. Told me it's not about ballin'. Real blessed, but I'm still sinning, man. What would you do for a win? What would you do for your friends? What if this life is a foe? What if it always pretend? What if you roll to the end? What if you started again? This is real life, not a game. I fight my battles to win. But some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Some people go to war for none. Me, I go to war for some. Some people need knives and guns. Same ones just talk and run. Where my friends go, it was simple. When the end's low, switch the tempo. I got right, I got heart. I won't die, I'ma fight. I go down, bet I strike. I go hard day and night. Wake up to the, yeah. Wow. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. Right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. No lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. A cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. A cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. Turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. No lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. A cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Wow. Get just hit that mirror for that fit check. Drip coming down the waist, that back don't get wet. Daddy, you gotta chill, that's what my kids
I'm gonna go use the restroom, guys. I'll be back.
my pockets bend down. Ben Franklin's. I get money, then get low, see what you thinking. Orange label in my hand, guess what I'm drinking. Ever since I dropped top speed, my line's been janking. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. No lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. A cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. A cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. Right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. No lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. A cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Yeah. I was with the grease, I was with the grit. Yeah. Leave you out to freeze if you're not legit. No. Tried to call my bluff, I was stacking chips, yeah. Mad years it was rough, now I flip the switch, whoa. Big checks on my body, I'm not talking swish, no. Please just get from around me, don't you move an inch, yeah. Don't mean to be rude, but I'm not taking pics, no. You keep making moves, but never taking risks, how? Wake up to the money, turn me right on. Right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. No lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. A cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. A cyclone. Wake up to the money, turn me right on. Turn me right on. You look like you got dressed with no lights on. No lights on. A Superman that spin like a cyclone. A cyclone. Fit check, spin like a cyclone. Whoa. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep money is sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on ghosts as a kid. Now I got house full of kids. Where I keep money is sick. Keep making that money flip. Way up. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That went way up. Bend that mouse to feed. I pray that check flow stay up. All of my bros, they been my bros. I'm talking day one. Been at boys. Me and my bros do road new keys, no deal. We been at been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid, 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid, 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. Yeah. Keep making that money flip. All of my paper legit. All of my outfits legit. Got the game with a tight grip. On trip but don't ever trip. Talking, keep running your lip. Me, I come through in the fourth. Me, I come through in the been at boys. Me and my bros do road, no keys, no deal. We been at toys. Been at checks. Me and my bros trust God on God, I swear we been at next. I've been on go since a kid. 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. I've been on go since a kid. 9 guys full of kids. Where I keep winning, you sick. Keep making that money flip. Okay. Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No me, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or two. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing you. You're all like my sons, I'm going dad on you. Good job, get mine, no prob. Hit my line, you're irking me, I hit that woosah. No, I don't got perks on me, I sleep good on God. Spend that money, make it reappear, ta-da. I've been getting paid, I've been eating good, I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby, cause I know my paper straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids, I need to bang. Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby, cause I know my paper straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids, I need to bang. I've been getting paid, I've been eating good, I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 7. My girl said I'm a dog, but all dogs go to heaven. Nowadays, nothing really is ice. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blingin', she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. No, G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the domain just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If it down in my management, I'm just warming up, wait till I. Old producers saw the numbers one. Different colors in my baggy light. Chalk it up, talk of the town where you're talking up. Wanna get you a ring and you tough enough. Wanna get you new things with your pockets dull. Run it up. I used to be quiet and out of luck. Now I move up and move humble cause the hate and the jealousy. My mama telling me count up your blessings and run it up. Nowadays nothing really is ice. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on blingin', she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. No, G's, no, please, no photos. I keep giving game away. I put game on layaway. I got paid to play today. I get paid to stay away. I get paid on rainy days. I might make it rain today. I got paid off pain today. Thought it'd take the pain away. In my own lane, finger roll. I would never sell my only soul. Heard your whole team was for sale. Heard it's on the market for the low. Who the realest, we might never know. All this acting, you gon' play a role. Give you the world when they sign you up. Try you out and then they line you up. Ooh, now you're looking hungry, ribs are touching, need some food. Now you're all on live acting surprised, but you was fooled. Boy, get out the way, it's been a day, now you're old news. Now you got the pen and pad, you're trying to take my moves. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's icy. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's icy. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Not gon' trip if the sun don't shine. Not gon' trip, you know I get mine. 2020 vision, I want all the loot. 2020 vision, I want all the loot. Not gon' trip if the sun don't shine. Not gon' trip, you know I get mine. 2020 vision, I want all the loot. 2020 vision, I want all the loot. I'm talking Beamer all clean, fit too mean. Finger all shiny on my baby's diamond ring. I was on a high till I caught onto the scene. Swear I lost my heart when I fell in love with things. Rookie year went broke like Jalen Rose. Got the price, sold my soul to the things I own. Switched up, locked in and got my mind right. Prioritizing, got my business and my time right. Wristwatch, no TikTok, you know the crime.
Man, guys, we're gonna have to wait till our session here today. Alright. YouTube, I'll see you guys on Friday. There's nothing for us here. Alright, God bless you all. See you guys on Friday. Hopefully we get a trade done in London that we now on Friday. See you guys. I'm out. Zoom. I'll see you guys in a few hours for NY session.
Makes sense.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Take care.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Driving on the road like I'm the only one. Shooting to the green, I talk a hole in one. Bible on the dash, they with the holy one. I know I put in work, they didn't notice none. Switch gears, clubhouse, took me 6 years. Marble floors, gold trim, feel like I'm Richie Rich, tying left. French sway, I mix the fist sick, quick loss, take a risk, we play for the win. Might spend $1 million at the rug store like Manafort. But making purchases you can't afford. I move the money like it's illegal. Something more of rigor mortis. Where I move dead, people lay low. Took L's, know how those days go. Say so, he say, but nothing ain't no pesos. Deals locked, it's like a case closed. Bankroll, different league, we don't use money phones. Trusting the artist, his hands steady for it. Pray up to the Lord, he knows I'm ready for it. All on the earnest, you know I'm heading towards. Eyes on the Rolex, it's like a Chevy Ford. Driving on the road like I'm the only one. Shooting to the green, I talk a hole in one. Bible on the dash, they with the holy one. I know I put in work, they didn't notice